I guess why we changed our system to Sianty from our old system, because it wasn't working for us. Right now, the one thing that really stands out with Sianty is the dashboard, how professional it looks, the invoice. It gives you analytics, it gives you job cards, work order, invoices, everything here you click on, it looks really professionally done. And when you, for example, open an invoice, you have the logo of your vehicle, you have your information right up front. It's quite impressive really what they've done with this program. What this program is, you're able to take pictures, you're able to have a video of the vehicle, customer can see it, also to protect us, check if there's any damage before, and it's all on video, and it's all, you can send it via WhatsApp. So that's really helpful. And I guess that's one of the main things that made us want to go with the system. So the one good thing also I'd like to mention is the fact that we can carry our phones, or we can carry our iPads and go out to the customer, greet the customer, take a video right then and there, show the customer, flip it. This is what your information, this is what the issue that we have to take care of. And he agrees, he signs, and everything is very clear and obvious. So yeah, that's a great point. So finally, I guess I would recommend the system for a garage like us that needs to have their workshop in order, to have their invoices in order, and to have ease of use with the staff and everyone on board with the system.
Thank you for your time, Mr. John.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it.
Thanks.